Hello, I'm back. Sorry about the last video got cut off. So this is gonna be the second part. So we're gonna continue with the re fa la do sharp sol la. Are you ready? So listen. Re fa la. Listen. Sing and play. Go. Now do sharp sol la. Listen. Sing and play. Go. Now listen. Re fa la do sol la. Re fa la go. Listen. Sing and play. Go. Okay, so I want you to be able to find a re fa la do sharp sol la on your own, and then be able to listen and then play. All right, now let me check your homework. It will be page 24 and 25. Oh, 24? No, I think it's just GMC 24 and 25. No, I think it's the 25. So if you haven't done it, so first note is, so as you can see, I don't have a board because I cannot shoot the video at school. So if you haven't done your homework, maybe we can do it together. If you did your homework, make sure you check your answer with me here. Do. And then next note would be re. Make sure it's on the line. Mi is in the space. And this is a high do, right? Do, re, mi, fa, so, la. Then you got to draw an extra line there, like this. C, extra line on top of the, no, that's a C, and then you have two letter lines. That's a high do. This is a high do, and the middle do is right here. Right, so middle do, and on your board, if you can write like extra lines like this on your laptop, your magnetic board, if you can write like, get a mark pen, if you can write like this, I want you to try that on your magnetic board as well. So find your G clef, middle do, and then immediately can you quickly find your high do. The high do is in the third space, right? And then you keep going up, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si. And then this is a high do with two extra lines, the two letter lines there. Okay, if you have time, please find your high do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do on your board, your laptop. Okay, now we're gonna continue. Next week's homework, I believe, is gonna be the 22, page 22. So let's, page 22, it's gonna be let's read. So next week, Miss Melody, you can do on your own. And then how I'm gonna check your homework is, I'm gonna point at a note, and then you are going to tell me the note's name, okay? So for example, this is middle do, and you got to tell me that's middle do, and then I point and you tell me the name. That would be your homework for next week. Easy, right? Okay, now let's move up to our playing. We're gonna start with marionette dance. Have you done both hands playing yet? Not yet. Let's start with the right hand. So I want you to sing. We're gonna try the entire right hand. When it's my turn, I'm gonna play the left hand for you too. Okay, so this part I'll be playing the re, si, la, 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 si, so, and then you will be continuing with your right hand. Re, si, la, 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 si. Okay, that will be your job. Finger number 1 on so, okay? So it sound like so, si, re, mi, re, so, so, la, do, si, la, si. So boys and girls, make sure you keep straight back, curve fingers, flat wrist. Don't sit too close to the keyboard or your piano. And make sure your eyes on the book. Sing and play with me. We're gonna try it slow, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. Right hand only. So, si, re, like that, okay? So make sure you sing and play. 1, 2, ready, play. My turn? Now it's your turn to play the left hand. So, si, re, so, do, mi, okay? I'll be still playing the right hand for you. Okay, can you quickly find your so, si, re, so, do, mi, fa, sharp, do, re, okay? So it'll sound like. Listen, I'm gonna start first, okay? Listen. So, si, re, so, do, mi, so, si, re, so, si, re, so, si, re, so, do, mi, so, si, re, fa, sharp. My turn. Your turn, left hand. Re, si, la, 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 si. So my turn. Okay, so for the ending, we're gonna start from here. So I'm gonna start from the re, si, and then you be prepared for the fa sharp. So left hand, fa sharp, so you go fa sharp, so, do, re, so, fa sharp, so, do, middle do, re, going down to so, okay? So I'm gonna start first. So you'll be prepared for the fa sharp, okay? Now after I play the re, si, and then you play the fa sharp. Ready? Fa sharp, so, do, re, and so. One more time. Fa sharp, so, and do, re, and so. Back to the beginning. So, si, re, go. That's the ending. Okay, now let's try both hands. Slow playing. Listen. Go. Right hand. Left hand. Re, si. Right hand and left hand, fa sharp. or both hands together play. I'm gonna play one more time, so have a listen. I want your eyes on the book, and then think about your left hand, right hand, how it sounds like together. Okay, listen. Right hand, left hand, and left hand, be prepared for the fast sharp. And that will be both hands. If you tried both hands already, now Miss Melody wanted you try to play a little bit faster. Maybe it's a dance piece, right? It's a dance music. So I want you make sure that you sound like dance, right? So you can try it. Like that. Okay? And GC dance. We'll do that after. Okay, I have a new song for you. It's called The Falling Leaves. Page 12 and 13. So today we're just gonna focus on the not focus on the playing, so just focus on the key signature, time signature, like the little details like the tenuto, the staccato, and decrescendo, crescendo, and the slur. Okay, now I'm gonna play the piece. Make sure you listen to the CD on your own. I'm gonna play the piece, and then I want you to tell me, does it sound like a major piece or does it sound like a minor piece? Minor, right? Okay, listen. Play one more time. Okay, do you think this is like a major or minor? The answer is a minor piece. And it sounds kind of sad, right? The title is The Falling Leaves. I guess it's like season fall, and the leaves are starting falling down from the trees. So it's kind of sad. Okay, so now let's figure out what kind of minor. So we learned A minor and D minor, and you may ask yourself, what's the first note that your right hand plays? And then what's the last note? Okay, now I'm telling you, first note we start on re, last note we end with re. And then I want you to circle the C flat. You see the C flat? I want you to circle that C flat. And first note re, last note re. And then I also want you to circle the do sharp. The do sharp right here, the do sharp, the right hand. So we're in the key of D minor. So please write it down, D minor. Okay, and so you start with manzo. Piano means medium soft, and then you have your left hand, the great whole bar rest, the whole bar rest, whole bar rest, whole bar rest. The first page, you only play with your right hand notes. Okay, and then you may find this very interesting. You have the dot on top of the note, and then on top of the dot, there's a short line, right? So the dot means you play short. That means a staccato note, right? And then on top of that, it's a tenuto. So we talk about tenuto means that you play the note fuller. You make the note sound fuller. So we have a staccato means you play short, and a tenuto means you play longer, fuller. So how are we gonna do that? We're gonna play tenuto and staccato note at the same time as detached. So you may find, I'm gonna start from here, okay? Now pay attention to the staccato, how I play the staccato and tenuto, and then they're half notes, right? They're half notes. So I go. Time. This time I'm gonna play without the tenuto, so without the short line. So no more short line, okay? Just the staccato. Listen. You hear that? Now I'm gonna play without the dots, without the staccato notes. I'm just gonna play the tenuto. Listen. So I definitely hold the note slightly longer there. So with the staccato and tenuto, we're going to play both of them at the same time. So we're going to do detached. Like that, okay? So make sure you circle that, and then if you could you please circle the crescendo and decrescendo as well? So what is crescendo? You may ask yourself. What is decrescendo? Okay. All right, now listen. I want you to copy me, so sing back. Re, do, re, la, re, re, mi, fa, sol, mi. Sing. Re, do, re, la, re, re, mi, fa, sol, mi. Sing. Listen. La, sol, la, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Sing. We're gonna sing from the beginning. Ready? Go. Re, do, sharp, re. Okay, listen, I'm gonna sing one more time for you. Re, do, re, la, re, re, mi, fa, sol, mi, la, sol, la, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, la, sol, la, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Okay, one more thing to pay attention to is that the second page, page 13, your top is a re. That's a whole note, right? Whole note you hold for hold the re throughout the bar, and then you see the second line, that's the ending. So you have the re, and then you have the half rest. So you don't hold the re for the entire bar. You just play re off, and then for the top, you have to hold for re, hold for a whole note, okay? And then hope you already circled the C flat, do sharp, and the cut time. I think we talked about the cut time, right? Cut time is like 2, 2. If you just see, if you have just like the C, the common time, that means 4, 4. You see, that means 4, 4. Now since we have the line here, that means 4, 4 got cut it into 2, 2. That means half note gets 1 beat, and then 2 beats per bar. So you can see here you have re, do sharp, re, they're half notes, right? So half note gets 1 beat is like 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is the quarter rest. Make sure you circle the quarter rest. So quarter rest plus a quarter note, that is another half note. So you have 2 beats per bar, half note gets 1 beat. So 1 beat, beat 1, beat 2, beat 1, beat 2. And be careful with the quarter rest. It's not a re, do sharp, re. It's a re, do sharp, re, rest. La, re, re, mi, fa, sol, mi. So I need to hear your silence here, right? There's a silence. Yeah. All right, now let's move to for the falling leaves. Please sing along with the CD. If you want to try, not mandatory. If you want to try the right hand, you can try the right hand. I don't think it's too hard for you. Just be careful with the re, do sharp, right? That's do sharp. And then make sure you circle the finger number. The finger number re, that's you start with right hand finger number 3. So re, finger number 2, it's gonna be on do sharp, re, rest, la, re, re, mi, fa, sol, mi, and the la has to be finger number 1. Boys and girls, make sure you circle that, okay? And then finger number 2 is gonna be on re. All right. Okay, now let's move to gypsy dance. Page 26. So we did the first part last week. Now I want to focus on the second part playing today. So I want you quickly find your high la, right hand, finger number 5, right hand, hello, right hand, high la, okay? So we're going to start, gypsy page 26 from the high la, okay? So we go la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, 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 la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, mi. Okay, sing and play with me. Ready, play. La, sol, fa, mi, re, do, 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 la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, mi. And the fermata means that you hold longer than usual, right? You hold longer than the half note, so make sure you hold a little bit longer there. And then you see the slur into the staccato here. Slur into the staccato. So I want you to try really emphasize on the slur, the legato. So you go la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, 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 la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, mi. So I want you really try to connect the la, sol, like that, okay? Now I'm gonna play from the beginning. You start from the high la, okay? That will be your special part. Listen. Listen. Go. La, let's try from the beginning with your right hand. So from the high Mi, finger number 5, listen. There, sing and play, okay? Listen. Sorry. Play. Again. Go. Okay, that will be your entire right hand. Now let's move on to your left hand. So can you find your La, Do, Mi, and So, Sharp, Re, Mi? So you go like a broken chord. La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi, Do, Mi, Do, Mi, and then So, Sharp, Re, Mi. And then your second line, if you could, you can write it down. You can copy the left hand here notes onto the second line. Basically, of the 3 bars, they're exactly the same notes for the second line, the left hand. Okay. So can you find your La, Do, Mi? So be careful. Your left hand starts on the middle Do. So finger number 5 on La, and then finger number 3 middle Do, and finger number 1 on Mi. So it goes like La, Do, Mi, like this. So La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi. Listen. Look at the book, straight back. Ready, go. La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi, Do, Mi. So sharp, Re, Mi, so sharp, Re, Mi, La, Do, Mi, Do, Mi. Rest. La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi, Do, Mi, Do, Mi. So sharp, Re, Mi, so sharp, Re, Mi, La, Do, Mi, La. Okay, now we're gonna continue. Can you find Si, Fa, So? Si, Fa, So right here, and then Do, Mi, So. I think Si, Fa, So, Do, Mi, So are easy for you. Okay, left hand, Si, Fa, So. So I'm gonna start with the high La, and then you come with the Si, Fa, So. Okay, ready? Listen. Si, Fa, So. Si, Fa, So. Do, Mi, So. Do, Mi, So. Do, Mi, So. Do, Mi, So. Si, Fa, So. Si, Fa, So. Do, Mi, So. Don't stop there. Can you find your So sharp, Re, Mi? Again, at the end here. That's a So sharp, Re, Mi. Ready, go. And can you go back to La, Do, Mi, the last line? Ready, go. La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi, Do, Mi, Do, Mi. So sharp, Re, Mi, so sharp, Re, Mi, La, Do, Mi, La. Okay? Yes? Okay, now I'm gonna play both hands for you. So you have a listen, look at the book, so you know how it sounds like. Both hands playing. I'm gonna try slightly faster because it's a dance music, right? It's gypsy dance. You wanna play, it's really lively, playful. Okay, so this week we work on the second part of the high La quite a lot, and then we tried both hands, the right hand and left hand, separate playing. So for next week, if you could do both hands both hands together playing will be great. If you can just play maybe both hands playing, maybe not for the entire piece, maybe just for the first line or first 2 lines. So you do right hand and left hand, play couple of more times at home, and then try both hands. Okay. All right, I think that will be all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Miss Melody may ask you to send me a video of yourself, like your play, your solo. For example, I may ask you to play the composer piece at the Dove. So I may ask your parents to videotape you and then send me that recording so that I keep track your learning process, how you doing at home, right? So I post a video for you. Please, I may ask you to send me your video as well. So be prepared for that, okay? Boys and girls, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And then again, hopefully you're all doing well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.